You might not think much about your vehicle's catalytic converter until the check engine light stubbornly stays on, your car starts feeling underpowered, or it struggles to pick up speed when you hit the gas. These symptoms often signal trouble with the catalytic converter, and a quality cleaner could be the remedy you need. With that in mind, I've compiled a list of the 7 best catalytic converter cleaners available, each offering a unique formula and specific benefits to suit your vehicle's needs. You'll find links to the best deals for all the products mentioned in this video in the description below. Keep in mind that these products are not ranked in any particular order, so make sure to watch the video till the end to catch all the details. Let's dive in. At number 7, we have the Liqui Moly Catalytic System Cleaner, one of the best heavy-duty options for tackling catalytic converter issues. This powerful cleaner is specifically formulated to address engine problems caused by soot and carbon buildup. By breaking down and removing these deposits from your catalytic converter, intake valves, and combustion chamber, it helps restore your engine's health and efficiency. Using this cleaner not only improves fuel economy and boosts overall engine performance, but also leads to smoother acceleration, reduced vibrations, and a quieter drive. Additionally, it contributes to a cleaner environment by lowering harmful carbon emissions. Beyond immediate benefits, it protects your engine by preventing further buildup, extending the life of your catalytic system and related components. This product is designed with anti-corrosion properties that safeguard your fuel system and other sensitive parts, ensuring durability and reliability. It's compatible with all gasoline engines equipped with catalytic converters. The 300 ml bottle features a pump spray designed for easy application directly into the intake system. However, unlike some cleaners that mix with your fuel, this product requires direct engine application, so you'll need a special nozzle for proper use. Despite this, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance engine performance and extend its lifespan. At number 6, we have the Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, a top-tier fuel system cleaner designed to restore lost performance and fuel efficiency in both older and newer gasoline engines. This powerful formula, enriched with patented polyethylamine technology, effectively targets and eliminates stubborn deposits in key engine areas. One of its standout features is its ability to clean carbon buildup on intake valves, ensuring proper airflow and efficient combustion. It also works to unclog fuel injectors, providing precise fuel delivery for smoother engine performance. Additionally, it tackles tough carbon deposits in combustion chambers, promoting more complete and efficient combustion. The 20-ounce bottle is capable of treating up to 60 gallons of gasoline and is suitable for all gasoline engines, including those with turbochargers and direct injection systems. It's also compatible with ethanol-blended fuels, including E85. By using this cleaner, you can boost fuel economy by up to 5%, restore lost horsepower and torque, and reduce issues like rough idling, surging, and hesitation. It even enhances cold start performance and protects against future deposit formation, helping your engine stay clean and efficient over time. For the best results, it's recommended to use this cleaner every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. However, if your engine has heavy carbon buildup, a more aggressive cleaner may be needed. That said, the Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is an excellent choice for maintaining peak engine performance and efficiency. At number 5, we have the Catalytic Catalytic Converter Cleaner and Deodorizer, a versatile and dual-purpose solution designed to address multiple automotive concerns while neutralizing unpleasant rotten egg odors from your engine. This powerful 16-ounce fuel additive is a one-stop remedy for various issues, functioning as a catalytic converter cleaner, fuel system cleaner, EGR valve cleaner, combustion chamber cleaner, and oxygen sensor cleaner. Its potent formula works to remove harmful carbon deposits from the catalytic converter, restoring proper airflow and improving efficiency. Additionally, it cleans deposits from your fuel system, including injectors and fuel lines, promoting better fuel atomization and potentially boosting fuel economy. By eliminating carbon buildup in the combustion chamber, this cleaner enhances fuel combustion and reduces engine knocking. Another key benefit is its ability to restore oxygen sensor functionality, ensuring accurate exhaust gas readings and maintaining an ideal fuel-air mixture for smooth, efficient performance. As a bonus, it neutralizes unpleasant exhaust odors, leaving your vehicle smelling clean and fresh. This cleaner is compatible with all gasoline engines, including those using ethanol-blended fuels. Simply add 1 bottle to a full tank of gas, and it provides protection for up to 3,000 miles. While it may not be the best solution for heavily clogged catalytic converters, it's an excellent option for maintaining engine performance and prolonging the life of your catalytic converter. At number 4, we have the Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer, a top choice for enhancing fuel system performance. This 3-in-1 formula delivers exceptional cleaning power, thanks to advanced synthetic detergents that penetrate deep into fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. It effectively dissolves stubborn deposits like carbon, gum, and varnish, leading to smoother idling, better throttle response, and noticeable improvements in power and acceleration. This cleaner is proven to boost fuel economy by an average of 3.2% and increase horsepower by 2.6%. By removing combustion chamber deposits, it helps your engine burn fuel more efficiently, reducing emissions of hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxides, and carbon monoxide by 12%, 13%, and 18%, respectively. It's an ideal choice for seasonal vehicles or those left idle for extended periods, as it prevents fuel degradation and protects against corrosion. Royal Purple Max Clean is compatible with all gasoline and diesel engines, including those running on ethanol blends and biofuels. It works in both 4-cycle and 2-cycle engines and is safe for use with emissions equipment. The product also ensures smoother startups and reliable performance, even after prolonged storage. A 20-ounce bottle treats up to 20 gallons of fuel, with a recommended dose of 1 ounce per 5 gallons. While most users experience immediate benefits, some report a temporary rough idle or hesitation as the product clears deposits throughout the system, an issue that typically resolves after a short drive. To find the latest prices on this cleaner and others mentioned, check the links in the description. And if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. At number 3, we have the Catalytic Complete Engine and Fuel System Cleaner, a trusted solution for enhancing emission control and overall engine efficiency. This powerful 473 milliliters formula is specially designed to tackle hidden deposits and grime that can compromise your engine's performance. With its advanced cleaning capabilities, it targets carbon buildup in essential components like the catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and cylinder heads. By clearing out these residues, Catalytic ensures optimal fuel flow and combustion, leading to smoother idling, better acceleration, and restored engine power. Additionally, it promotes cleaner emissions, reducing hydrocarbon levels by up to 50%, which is not only environmentally friendly, but can also improve your chances of passing emissions tests. Its ability to support cleaner combustion may even boost fuel economy, helping you save money at the pump. Catalytic is compatible with a wide variety of vehicles, including those powered by gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and flex fuel systems. For best results, simply add it to your fuel tank during every oil change or tune-up. This reliable cleaner is an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy engine and supporting better environmental outcomes. At number 2, we have the CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emissions Test Formula, an excellent choice for ensuring your vehicle clears emissions control tests with ease. This 12-ounce bottle does more than reduce emissions. It revitalizes engine performance and improves fuel efficiency. Backed by a clean emissions guarantee, it ensures your vehicle will pass the test, provided there are no significant underlying mechanical problems. The formula features a powerful blend of detergents designed to break down and remove deposits and sludge from your fuel system, catalytic converter, and oxygen sensors. By eliminating these buildups, it helps reduce harmful emissions, enabling smoother acceleration, easier starts, and noticeable fuel economy improvements. This cleaner is compatible with all gasoline-powered vehicles, including SUVs, trucks, hybrids, and those using ethanol blends. It's safe for use in engines with direct or port injection, and it works effectively in turbocharged or supercharged systems as well. To use, simply pour the entire bottle into a half-full fuel tank, and it will start working immediately. While this product is a reliable aid for passing emissions tests, it's important to note that it doesn't resolve underlying mechanical issues causing high emissions. For vehicles with no major mechanical problems, though, it's a highly effective and convenient solution. At number 1, we have Seafoam Motor Treatment, the most versatile and effective solution on our list for cleaning catalytic converters and maintaining overall fuel system health. This powerful, concentrated formula is specially designed to clean and protect vital engine components by dissolving stubborn deposits and carbon buildup in fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Additionally, it removes gummy residues and varnish from stored fuel, helping to prevent moisture accumulation and corrosion over time. Beyond its exceptional cleaning properties, Seafoam SF16 also lubricates upper cylinder components, reducing friction and wear while safeguarding the entire fuel system from rust and corrosion. Its fuel-stabilizing abilities ensure that stored fuel remains fresh for up to 2 years, preventing degradation and phase separation, which ultimately leads to better ignition, smoother cold starts, and improved overall fuel quality. One of the standout features of Seafoam Motor Treatment is its incredible versatility. It is compatible with all gasoline and diesel engines, including those with turbocharged and direct injection systems. Whether you're using conventional or synthetic motor oils, Seafoam works effectively to maintain engine performance. It can be added to the fuel tank, mixed into the crankcase oil, or applied directly through the intake system for thorough cleaning. That said, some users have reported a strong petroleum odor when using the product, so it's recommended to apply it in a well-ventilated area to avoid discomfort. Despite this minor drawback, its broad applications, consistent results, and ability to address multiple engine issues make Seafoam motor treatment a top choice for keeping your engine clean, efficient, and running at its best. And that wraps it up. We hope this video helps make choosing the perfect catalytic converter cleaner a breeze and simplifies your search. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Also, be sure to check the description below for links to the latest prices on all the products featured. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.